Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making Chat GPT read responses out loud on a desktop browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Enter the prompt into Chat GPT, and when it responds, tap the sound icon below the response. When you tap it, Chat GPT will immediately read the response out loud for you. You can tap the same icon to stop it from talking. If you don't like the voice that it's using, you can change the voice in settings. To do this, click your user icon in the top right corner of the page. Then choose Settings from the options. Select Speech. Tap the voice on the far right to choose another voice. Tap Play to the left of the voice to hear a preview of the voice. The voice will change to the one selected. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chat GPT tips and tricks.